Blueberry oatmeal bread. Ingredients: 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/2 cup of monk fruit sweetener, 2 eggs, 1 cup almond milk, 1 cup blueberries. Instructions: 1. In medium bowl combine flour, oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Mix all together. 2. In a separate bowl combine eggs, sweetener and almond milk. Mix well. 3. Slowly combine the wet ingredients to the dry and mix until well incorporated. 4. Gently fold in blueberries. 5. Pour into a greased loaf pan and sprinkle a few more oats on top. 6. Bake at 375 degrees for about 55 minutes until the center is well cooked. 7. Let cool, then remove from pan.